Here's everything you need to know before buying DeskRoll, laid out clearly so you can make the right decision. And stick around, because by the end, you'll see why it may not be your best choice. First, DeskRoll is known for its simplicity. It's web-based, meaning no downloads or installations are required. While this is convenient, competitors like Zoho Assist and AnyDesk offer similar browser-based setups, but often include more advanced features like session recording or remote printing. Next, the pricing. DeskRoll's plans are affordable, but they're basic compared to tools like TeamViewer or LogMeIn, which, though pricier, provide broader functionality and higher security standards. DeskRoll might save you money upfront, but you might outgrow it quickly. Third, DeskRoll supports multiple devices and platforms, including Windows, macOS, and mobile. However, its mobile experience can feel limited compared to AnyDesk, which offers a seamless mobile interface with better touch controls for troubleshooting on the go. The fourth thing to note is the ease of setup. DeskRoll prides itself on being straightforward, but the lack of customizable branding or advanced configurations might be a deal breaker for companies wanting a more professional or tailored experience. Competitors like Splashtop allow more branding flexibility, which can be crucial for client-facing businesses. Next, customer support is solid, but not exceptional. DeskRoll provides email and ticket-based support, but you'll find faster response times and live chat options with TeamViewer or Zoho Assist. For urgent issues, that makes a difference. Sixth, security. DeskRoll offers SSL encryption, which is essential for remote support. However, competitors like LogMeIn and BeyondTrust provide extra layers of security, like two-factor authentication and compliance with stricter industry standards. Another point is scalability. DeskRoll is great for small teams, but doesn't cater well to growing businesses with diverse needs. For scaling companies, platforms like Splashtop or Zoho Assist often have more adaptable plans and features. The eighth thing is its features. DeskRoll covers remote access basics like file transfers and session logging, but it lacks extras like collaborative tools or multi-monitor support, which are standard in many competitors' offerings. Ninth, the interface is clean but dated. It gets the job done, but compared to the polished designs of competitors like AnyDesk, it can feel clunky and outdated, especially for users who prioritize a smooth user experience. Next, DeskRoll works well for occasional use, but for businesses needing constant remote support, its performance may fall short. Alternatives like TeamViewer or AnyDesk often deliver more reliable, high-speed connections with minimal downtime. The 11th thing is integrations. DeskRoll has limited third-party integrations, whereas competitors like Zoho Assist integrate seamlessly with CRM systems and other business tools, making them better suited for teams that rely on streamlined workflows. Finally, DeskRoll's updates and innovation pace are slower than its competitors. It's functional, but the lack of new features might leave you wishing for more as your needs evolve. In summary, DeskRoll is a decent choice for small teams or infrequent users on a budget. But if you want a better option with more features, reliability, and flexibility, check out our recommended solution. It's more advanced, and you can even try it for free to see if it's the right fit for you.